For the Japanese, who know so much and into it more, human relations are predestined by a red string that the gods tie to the pinky fingers of those who find each other in life. Legend has it that the two people connected by this thread will have an important story, regardless of time, place, or circumstances. The red string might get tangled, contracted, or stretched, as surely often happens, but it can never break. Isn't that cool? I wonder who's on the end of my string. I bet it's you, Scarlet.
Yeah. I'm gonna borrow some money.
Later, do you want to go to the observation deck in Tokyo Tower?
Yeah, sure. Wait, Sophie, hold up. There's a coin.
Hi, Scarlet.
How do you know my name? What is this string for? And who are you?
My name is Crimson. This thread was connected to us by fate.
Yeah, sure, dude. Sophie? 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 Great.
Let's go sit down.
What does this thread mean? Does this mean we're soulmates?
No. This doesn't mean we're soulmates. I'm here as your guide, or a conscience.
Why would I need a guide?
I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. You're a terrible person.
What? No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you really are.
No, I'm not.
Scarlet, where's your friend? She's gone. She can't see you anymore. No one can, except for me.
What do you mean?
You're transparent now. That's your consequence. Because you spent so much time disregarding others, now others cannot see you. There's only one way to fix this.
How? Tell me now.
You need to change your ways.
How?
Follow me.
that it? Are we done?
Depends. Do you think you are?
I'm not sure. You have no idea what it feels like to be invisible and to be ignored by people.
I don't, but you know who does.
Oh my gosh. I have to find her. I have to tell her I'm sorry.
Then go. Rewrite your wrongs.
Sophie?
Oh my gosh, Scarlet, where have you been all day?
On an adventure.
Alrighty, where to next?
I don't know, where do you want to go?
Well, there's another temple we can go and check out.
Okay, cool.